Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. 大家好，欢迎回到我们学习汉语的时间。Before we begin today's video, do remember to click the subscribe button. Your support is our greatest motivation to keep this channel going. Thanks everyone. 谢谢大家。Today's topic is regarding the Chinese Zodiac signs. The Chinese Zodiac, known as Sheng Xiao, or Shu Xiang, features 12 animal signs, beginning with rat, followed by ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and ends with pig. According to the excavated ancient bamboo books, the existence of Chinese Zodiac began before the Qin dynasty, and the complete 12 animals cycle had been set before or during the Eastern Han dynasty. Your Chinese Zodiac sign is determined by your birth year. There is an animal representing each year, but the year is defined by Chinese lunar calendar, not the Gregorian year you are familiar with from January 1st to December 31st. Shu, rat. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1924, 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020, 2032, etc. 牛, cow or ox. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1925, 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021, 2033, etc. 虎, tiger. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1926, 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1998, 2010, 2022, 2034, etc. 兔, rabbit. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1927, 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, 2023, 2035, etc. 龙, dragon. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1928, 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012, 2024, 2036, etc. 蛇, snake. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1929, 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, 2025, 2037, etc. 马 horse. The zodiac sign is for those born in 1930, 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014, 2026, 2038, etc. Yang, goat. This zodiac sign is for those born in 1931, 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015, 2027, 2039, etc. Hou, monkey. This zodiac sign is for people born in the year 1932, 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016, 2028, 2040, etc. Ji, chicken or rooster. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017, 2029, 2041, etc. Go, dog. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1934, 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, 2018, 2030, 2042, etc. Zhu, pig. This zodiac sign is for those born in the year 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, 2019, 2031, 2043, etc. Why cat is not included in the Chinese zodiac? Ancient Chinese were into animal worshipping and thus selected 12 animals to represent the year in China. Excluding the dragon, the rest of the animals are common animals seen in our lives. But why cat was not included? There is an interesting legend about the origin of Chinese Zodiac. The Jade Emperor organized a zodiac assembly and ordered all the animals to attend in order to select the 12 animals to represent the zodiac signs. The cat and rat, who were good friends, heard the news and decided to take part. As the cat liked to sleep, he asked the rat to wake him up on the day of the assembly if he dozed off. The rat, being a friend of the cat, quickly agreed. However, on the day of the assembly, the rat went alone without waking up the cat. When the cat woke up and saw that it was very late, he quickly dashed to the assembly. However, when he got there, 12 animals had already been selected, and the rat actually came in first. The cat was furious with the rat for betraying him. Since then, cat and rat became enemies for generations. Well, this is just a story. The actual reason was because there were no cats in ancient China. As a creature native to Egypt, cat was brought into China in the era of Emperor Ming of Han Dynasty, which is about 1,000 years later than the formation of Chinese Zodiac. This year, 2021, is the year of the ox. Let us look at the horoscope for those born in this zodiac sign. According to the analysis of a feng shui master, the horoscope for ox this year is not so good because dark stars are more than lucky stars. It is not advisable for those in this zodiac sign to do investments or to act as guarantors. People under this zodiac sign must control your temper this year and do not vent angers on family or friends for your bad fortune. Health-wise, you must also be careful. You must eat healthily and do health checkups regularly. Do more good deeds to increase your fortune. That is all for today. We wish everyone 新年快乐，万事如意，心想事成。Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn Chinese with us. See you again soon. Bye. 我们的视频就到此为止。再见。